Hi, my name is Scott. I'm here with DynaScan here at ISE 2020. I'd like to show you some of the exciting new products we have on display here at the show this year. This is a part of our outdoor series, our DO series, which is a range of products for outdoor applications. Here we're integrating with an outdoor kiosk designed by one of our partners, Display Devices. And it features, it's IP rated for protection against weather. Also is all touch ready. Has a touch interface. We can people on the street can check out local restaurants or shops and dining, those types of things. We also have standalone outdoor applications. This is our DO55, 55-inch. 3,500 nits. It is IP rated as well, and features IK10 vandal resistance surface, so it's protected against vandalism like that. The nice thing about our DO series is it's designed to be integrated with, like I said, kiosks, but also street furniture, such as our digital bench over here. This is great for advertising. Has replacing traditional bench bus stop benches with digital, so we can get a more dynamic, bright messaging to viewers on the street. For more information on our products and our outdoor products specifically, please visit us online at DynaScanDisplay.com.